Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced mint tea. First, gather your fresh mint leaves or tea bags. You'll want to steep about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh mint or 2 to 3 tea bags in 8 ounces of hot water. Make sure the water is just below boiling. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes to get a nice, strong flavor. This initial step is crucial for a rich base. Once your tea has steeped, it's time to cool it down. Carefully strain out the mint leaves or remove the tea bags from the hot liquid. Let the tea sit and cool naturally to room temperature, which usually takes around 30 minutes. After it's cooled, pour the tea into a pitcher. Then, place the pitcher in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to get it thoroughly chilled. Now for the fun part, sweetening and garnishing. You can add your favorite sweetener like simple syrup or honey to taste. Stir it in until it's fully dissolved. For an extra layer of freshness, add some fresh mint sprigs directly into the pitcher. If you enjoy a citrusy twist, a few lemon slices can really brighten up the flavor. Mix everything gently. Finally, it's time to serve your refreshing iced mint tea. Grab your favorite glasses and fill them generously with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder and more enjoyable your drink will be. Carefully pour the chilled mint tea over the ice in each glass. For a beautiful presentation and an extra hint of aroma, garnish each serving with a fresh mint sprig and a lemon wedge. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.